Are you trying to fix the AI manga filter not showing up in your TikTok app? Frustrated that it isn't available in your effects menu? In this video, you'll learn how to easily fix the issue and start creating awesome TikTok content with the AI manga filter. I'll go over the simple steps needed and show you exactly what to do. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to start making amazing videos with the AI manga filter. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you are using the latest version of the TikTok app. To do that, open up the Apple App Store or Google Play Store and search for TikTok. And then update your TikTok app, because it will give you the ability to use all of the latest effects and filters that TikTok has to offer, as well as all bug fixes, and this issue could be a bug in your TikTok app, which simply updating your app will fix. If updating your app to the latest version didn't work, then you want to report this issue to TikTok, and they will look into it and fix it for you. So to do that, open up the TikTok app and then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are on your TikTok profile, tap on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen and select Settings and Privacy. After that, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Report a Problem. And then tap on the search bar up top and enter Filters. Then tap on where it says Can't find certain filters and effects. So now what you want to do next is, under Is your problem resolved, tap No. And then tap Need more help. And now all you have to do next is type in the issue you are facing. Tell them that you can't find the AI manga filter, that it's missing from your account, that you really want to use it, and stuff like that. And also, if you can, attach a screenshot showing that the AI manga filter is actually missing on your TikTok account. Once you've typed in your issue, simply tap on Submit. And TikTok will fix your issue as soon as they can, and give you the ability to use the effect. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.